welcome to my channel Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So I know as per the title and the thumbnail you would already know that I'm going to do a crochet along for this cute little teddy bear here, and I know it's again a yarn tutorial for the year, but don't worry, I am definitely going to bring more different art and craft projects for you guys. But I have been working on this teddy bear and it got completed, and it's the perfect gift for Valentine's Day. So I decided, hey, why not do a crochet along with you guys and make another of this teddy bear. And I hope you guys would love to do the crochet along with me. And today I'm just going to do like an introduction, like what you will need, what materials you will need, and how tall this teddy bear is going to be. So if I make this teddy bear standing, and from the tip of its ears to the bottom of his legs, he is 18 inches tall. And I love the cute little balloon. I just love. And this is my first original pattern. So I have I have made a lot of amigurumis, and I will definitely show you guys what I have made. But this is like my first one that I did by myself without using anybody's pattern. So I wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed working with me and doing a crochet along with me. So before we get started on the crochet along, we have 3 Mondays left, and I'm going to do it every Monday before the February the 14th. We have 3 Mondays, so I'll have the video in 3 parts. And the materials you will need for this project are a lot and lot of scrap yarn. I made this completely with all the scraps that I had. And if you can just see, like, I have done 2 lines of red here and then cut it off. And then, so even though my scrap balls were like a little bit bigger, like say if the ball was like this big, I would just do like 3-4 lines and cut it off and then go with another color, just to keep it colorful and like even throughout. I know it's not exactly like 2 lines for every color. It might be 3 lines, 4 lines, and then sometimes it will just be 1 line or half a line, depending on how much big the scrap ball I have. And I made this completely out of scrap ball. And then another one that I'm going to make is also going to be scrap yarn, and you will need a lot of scrap yarn. So for the second one, I'm going to include a variegated yarn too. For this one, I used only solids, and what I did is I did not use any black or white. The only part I used white was his eyes, and I kept the balloon off white or like very pale yellow. But the eyes are the only place where I used white. So I did not use any black and I did not use any white except for the eyes. And so what you will need is a lot of scrap yarn. I made my teddy bear with Boy, it's 4.25 mm G6 hook, and that's the Boy company G6 4.25 millimeters. And then you will need a pair of scissors, obviously, and a tapestry needle just to sew in all your ends and everything. Also, you will need 2 12 millimeter safety eyes. That's what you need. I'm going to mix in the solids and the variegated, so I'm going to use all my scrap yarn. For the rope of the balloon, I used my Wonder Knitter. Sorry, this teddy bear. Okay, come on, sit here, buddy. Yeah. So I used the Wonder Knitter for to make the rope, but that's an optional tool. You don't really need it. You can use I'll show you how to crochet the thread of the balloon. I'll show you how to crochet it, and that's what I'm going to do, work on it in my second teddy bear. I'm going to make the crochet thread and not the Wonder Knitter, but for this one I made the thread with the Wonder Knitter. So if you have it, that's easy. It just makes it really easy and it goes really quick. You don't even have to worry about it. So that's about it, guys, for the tools and materials. And also don't forget, you need a lot and lots of, if you can still see right here on his back and then on his legs and everywhere, I still have the stitch markers. You will need a lot of stitch markers. I personally I kept a whole lot. You can use like 1 or 2. I just kept a lot because I want everywhere I made like increased. I wanted to mark it so that when I sat down to write the pattern, I had it ready. So once the whole teddy bear is done, I will have the written pattern uploaded on my blog, and I will leave a link in the last video for that pattern for you guys to check out the written pattern. I'm not going to charge you anything because I know it's not one of the best creations, but I just simply love it and I wanted to share it with you guys. So that's about it, guys, for today's video. I just wanted to show you this teddy bear for the crochet along and let you know what you need. And I hope you guys join me in the crochet along for this teddy bear, and I'm really excited because this is my first crochet along. So let's go ahead. I'll see you on Monday with this tutorial, but don't worry, after this I promise I'll do another project and then come back to my yarn because I am using up my stash this year, my stash of yarn. So I hope you guys enjoy doing a crochet along with me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.